across to Mr. Anil Jain back on this discussion. Mr. Anil Jain, obviously, like we have been telling our viewers, and you also have mentioned that India does have some amount of strategic reserve. They can last for around 2 months, or 3 months per se. But we are seeing almost a weekly flow of tankers coming to India, sir. Do you think that will help us going forward as well? Because military analysts and experts are saying that the war will continue for a longer duration of time. So do you believe that we have managed to mitigate that kind of effect for the time being and for the time to come?
Well, I'm sorry, I would like to correct you that India does not have reserves for 3 months. It is about 3 weeks only.
Okay, yes.
So let's correct it. And we have reserves. Unlike China, China has a reserves for almost 6 months. Vietnam has for 6 months. Our reserves are for much lesser period. So we have to be continuously on a hunt for this petrochemical products and from different sources, whether it is Russia or South America. And definitely government is doing really hard work. And we are successful also in finding new sources for oil supplies. Recently, I understand Government of India has also executed a contract with Argentinian government to deliver LPG and other petrochemical products. So I'm sure that Government of India will be able to continue with the supplies to provide the required supplies. There will not be any shortages, etc. However, we should not be overconfident also. I must say that we should be careful while using this petrochemical project. Government must come out with certain regulations which restrict uses. The availability is diligently applied, whatever petrochemical products are. So let's hope, and particularly since the war is not expected to be over, as you also said, and we have seen the history of wars, whether it is Vietnam War, which went on for 20 years, Korea War, or Kuwait War, or Iran, Iraq War, that all these wars were fought for several years, more than 5 years, including First World War, Second World War. All these wars lasted for almost 5 years. So I don't see, and particularly the problem is that Iran has lost the political leadership, probably where one could clearly negotiate. It appears that negotiations are very difficult with Iran because there is no clear political leadership available where you can discuss for the entire Iran. And the army, their army is now decentralized. The authorities have been decentralized. So very difficult that who will give the order, who is handling. Now there is a total confusion in Iran about how to, there is no discipline in the army probably. And that is why this war is also prolonged in spite of the serious efforts by the America and Israel. They are looking forward to somehow or other stop this conflict. They are talking about the on the table dialogue, but then there is no positive response coming from Iran. And probably the reason is that somewhere there is a lack of political leadership. There is strong political leadership in spite of the president of Iran making certain resolutions, certain statements. But I am not sure whether those statements are supported by people down the line, the military down the line, and decentralized military authorities, etc. But let us hope that this petrochemical product for India is not going to be very serious. The government is definitely vigilant about it, is working hard on this subject, and we will be able to sail through. Right. And we are very fortunate that the petrol prices are not increasing in India, whereas right, in the whole of the world, petrochemical prices have gone up, including America. Absolutely. And Pakistan, we yesterday saw that the petrochemical prices reached to 458 rupees a liter.